stay tuned and see how I turn this into a corner that looks like this by using this and this. All right, now we're gonna let that sit overnight, and I'll come back in actually tomorrow afternoon after work and take this off, move this mold over to the other side and fill it with Bondo, apply it on the other side, and we'll have a corner that's flush just like this. So I took this mold off the other corner on the other side, and I'm gonna fill this with Bondo and apply it. Now I have to mix out the Bondo. And this can sometimes be pretty messy. I mean, like, really messy. Now we're just gonna set this up. Come on, buddy. Get right there. I thought I was going to have to tape this, but I don't think I'm going to have to now. That should do the trick. Now we'll just come back tomorrow, pull that off, see. It may not be all the way full in here, and if not, I can just fill it up, and we'll we'll just do it kind of again. We'll fill in the gaps that's not sitting right in here, but I'm pretty sure that we have it covered. All right. Here is the Bondo, dried, sanded down. I have to fine tune it a little bit right there, but I need a more precise way of doing it than a 5-inch orbital sander. So long story short, it's going to look, and of course we have some damage right here. I'll fix that, but long story short, it's going to look just like the other side.